Welcome back, everybody. Uh, First of all, honestly, I didn't intend to lie about the length of the video last night. Uh, I remembered hearing that thing about the 3D printed chicken, and I don't know. I just thought maybe somebody might like to hear about it. Anyway, I did a little quick search this evening on that, and it's wow, it's just strange. I still don't think I want to eat any of it. It's plant-based, or it will be plant-based, with animal cells. I don't know about y'all, that don't sound too I don't know, don't sound right. Just plant-based with chicken cells. I don't know. I still don't think I want any of it. You know, they say it tastes just like chicken. But anyway, like I said, go, you know, do an internet search on that. And I don't know. They say they're doing it because that way no animals have to be harmed. Okay, well, I mean, that might be all right for you know, the PETA people and the vegetarians, but that's not all right for me. You know, just don't bite it. I don't know. Don't seem like a good idea to me. I mean, just I don't know. I don't like the whole idea. Anyway, y'all can go look it up and think about it and see what y'all think about it. I don't know. Pigs are messing with the water hose here. Won't leave it in the trough. No, don't bite it. Yeah, this is crazy video. The pigs are being uncooperative. Imagine that. What you doing there, boss hog? Yeah, our boss hog's female though. And you know, she's a big one. She's gonna be a big one. Hope she's a good mama. And that time, quit messing with the hose. Don't chew on it. But yeah. Wow. I'm still stuck on the 3D. Really? Give me that. They just want to jack with the water hose. Whoa! Patch just jumped out of the weeds and scared some of them, except one. It's still laying there in the mud. I don't know whether it realized it was just old Patch or what, but usually they like Patch. I guess they thought, I mean, usually they act like he's one of them. But I guess just jumping out of the weeds like that kind of startled him. Excuse me while I get a drink of water. Yeah, I drink out the same hose pigs do. I'm sure it'll be all right. You know, if 3D printed chicken's all right, a little hose water isn't gonna kill me. Step over here to the weed patch, or one of the weed patches. Get them some horse weeds to snack on while they wait on Ethan. Them are tough ones back there. And these easy to pull ones here. So, anyway, mentioned last night, today was my last day of work for this week. So, I don't know what I'm going to do, but I'm sure I'll find some way to pass the time that is more interesting and more entertaining than work is, or my job. I might find some work to do around here. I don't know. But definitely going to try to keep this video shorter than the last two. And pigs, they like him horse fleas. Man, I can't get over that. I never noticed that when I was younger and we had pigs. You know. Yeah, there's Mrs. Boss Hog right here in the front. She's a big old girl. Yeah. Yep, she's the boss too, she thinks. I'm just guessing that you all can see anything. So, let's fly over. Anyway. Okay. Like I said, not much going on right now. I just got home from work. Wound down for a little while, watched some of my favorite YouTube channels. So, decided to get out here and water the hogs. Ethan will be feeding them here directly. He was headed to feed the coon dogs last I seen him. He already fed Patch and Sassy. There he goes. Hey, I got an idea. I'm talking to Ethan. That's just weird looking. We got one of them retracting hoses, and it's trying to do its thing, and I wasn't paying attention. Happened to notice this blade of grass just flipping. Couldn't figure out what was going on there for a second. So I'm gonna try to help Ethan out with the pigs. What are you doing? You're over here wiping stuff on me. Just pour a little bit in this bucket, and I'll take it to the other side. See if I can't distract him. That's good, that's good. Alright. Oh, you can hear them over there. They know it's feeding time. And they are not patient. They want it, and they want it now. Ah! I know why he gets mad. He just jumped up on the fence. I was, shoot, almost 10 foot away. Oh, he pulled a fast one on them while they was following me and slinging mud on me. He fed them. So, I'm going to have to anyway, I'll get this dumped over here. Get them a little bit of feed out there. They won't be crowding around over there fighting so much. I think Boss Hog was the smart one today and found it. Oh, nope, she's got to go back and boss the others around, because that's what she does. So, they might be getting something she's not. Anyway, got a little rain up here today. I wasn't here to see it, but settled the dust. I mean, the ground's not soft or anything, so wasn't very much. Okay, well, you know, I don't know what else to tell you. I done told you all about the 3D printed chicken. And I don't know about you all, but whew, that just don't sound right to me. I mean, you know, and they say they'll be able to grow it faster than chicken. Well, chicken grows pretty fast anyway, you know. But say I'd have to see what they got going on, but still yet, I don't. A plant that tastes like chicken basically is the way I understand it. I don't know, maybe somebody else can go check that out and get back with me and tell me what you think, how you interpret that. I'm gonna try something. Bear with me a minute here. Whoops, that wasn't what I wanted to try. I don't think this is gonna work out for me. Okay, there. Need to use two hands. I'm out here wandering around without a belt on, and if I'm not careful, it's gonna be a full moon out this afternoon, or this evening. It's not afternoon, it's, I don't know, last time I checked it was about 6:30, so, well, Sassy's trying to kill us both. She's walking in front of me, not looking where I'm going. So, alrighty. Well, like I say, if you like it, hit that thumbs up button. You know, for something you'd like to see, leave me a comment. I mean, if you got a comment on what I've been talking about, you know, I'd really like to hear what y'all think about this 3D printed chicken stuff. That just, as you can tell, I'm just about obsessed with it. Anyway, leave me a comment if you got an opinion on it, or, you know, you think I ought to shut up about whatever, you know. Anyway, you know, if you like it, hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. Patch is out here sneaking around. He's had a raccoon tree in this tree right here behind me the last 2 mornings. He's treed a raccoon in there. I don't know if he's out looking for his raccoon friend he plays with or what. Well, I don't think he plays with him, because I know for a fact he's killed 2 this year. He just can't catch this one. It's on to him, but he won't let it out of the tree. Rhonda made him go in the house yesterday so the coon could get away. But anyway, all right, back to winding this video up. I'm gonna get wound up here in a little bit, and we'll have another 30-minute video on our hands. So, hit the like button. You know, subscribe if you haven't, and if you're a subscriber, thanks a lot. I appreciate it. You know, turn that notification bell on, and the YouTube will tell you when I've posted one of these. I know some of you have, and I appreciate it. So, anyway, as I say, let's look out for each other. Let's try to help each other out all we can. Let's pray for each other. And we'll catch you later.